I'm glad that you are back. Well, in this lecture, we are going to cover another amazing feature of InVideo AI, which is script to video. So let's get straight into our InVideo AI screen. Go over to Workflows and then click on Script to Video. For script to video, all you need to do is simply enter a script detailing the kind of video that you want. Then we have to specify the platform, for instance a YouTube short or Instagram reel or a YouTube video, to ensure the video format is perfect. The main benefit of using script to video is you can include any special elements like a call to action. For example, you can say subscribe to my YouTube channel or like the video or enroll in the course. You can do that by using script to video. Additionally, you can also select the background music you need as well as the voiceover preferences such as a British voice, American voice or even your own voice. After that, InVideo AI does the rest of the scripting, finding the ideal and best visuals, adding transformative voiceovers, background musics, and captive captions. Once we have clicked generate a video, all we need to do is wait for the magic of InVideo AI as it delivers a polished and compelling video ready to engage with your audience. This is our video generated from script to video. All we need to do was simply copy the script and paste it in the script to video, and it has generated this beautiful and engaging video. Now that we have covered script to video, we will explore another feature, which is recent event videos in InVideo AI.